While the spotlight always seems to be on Apple's mainline iPhones, the iPhone SE is a great pick for those who are on a budget. If you want an iPhone that doesn't break the bank, the SE should be on your radar. Set to debut in 2025, the fourth-generation iPhone SE is stirring up buzz across the internet with intriguing leaks and rumors. A tech insider, Majin Buu, recently teased iPhone enthusiasts with a sneak peek at the iPhone SE4's back covers, showcasing a vibrant array of 9 colors on his X account formerly known as Twitter. From classic black to striking yellow, and from fiery red to sleek white, the lineup promises something for every taste. Also included are green, light blue, gray, silver, pink, and a deep, solid, dark green shade. These leaked images solidify the speculation surrounding the design of the forthcoming iPhone SE4. Notably, the dark green case image reveals a notable shift. The iPhone SE4 will embrace a USB Type-C charging port, a departure from previous models. The cases also hint at the presence of essential cutouts for power and volume buttons, alongside a mute switch positioned on the left side of the device. With this sneak peek, it's evident that the upcoming iPhone SE4 will offer users a spectrum of captivating color choices. In addition to these visual leaks, rumors suggest that the iPhone SE4 will boast AI-powered camera capabilities, enhancing the photography experience for users. Surprisingly, it's rumored to bear a closer resemblance to the iPhone 13 and the iPhone XR. As for the specifications, according to tech insider Nguyen Phi Hung on Twitter, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to flaunt a 6.1-inch 60Hz OLED display with Face ID support. Its front design will mirror the sleek look of the iPhone 13, complete with the familiar notch for the front camera. On the back, it's expected to feature a single rear camera similar to the setup on the iPhone XR. The camera specs are particularly exciting, with talks of a powerful 1 by 2.55-inch IMX 503 lens equipped with features like Deep Fusion, Smart HDR, Portrait Mode, and 1080-pixel Cinematic Mode. Under the hood, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to pack a punch with Apple's A16 Bionic chip, accompanied by 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage options. Powering all these features might be a battery in the 3,000 mAh range, with support for 20-watt wired charging and 12-watt wireless charging. If you're itching to know more, a Weibo user known as Chatternumber has spilled some beans on the detailed configuration of the iPhone SE4, hinting at specs similar to what we've already discussed in the video. As for the release date, while nothing is set in stone, we can make some educated guesses. Apple usually unveils its flagship phones in the fall, often in September. Given this pattern, a fall 2025 release seems unlikely. Looking back at previous iPhone SE launches, they've typically happened in the spring, with the original iPhone SE dropping in March 2016, the SE2 in April 2020, and the SE3 in March 2022. So, if Apple sticks to its tried-and-true schedule, we might just see the iPhone SE4 hitting shelves as early as March 2025. So stay updated by subscribing to our channel, and let us know your thoughts about the specifications of the upcoming iPhone SE4 in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.